The human body is incredibly complex. It has the ability to do amazing things like heal itself and fight off aggressive illnesses, but that doesn't mean it's all pretty. Here are 10 gross facts you didn't know about your body. Full of hot air. While we may turn our noses up when someone passes gas in front of us, none of us can pretend that we don't fart. In fact, your body farts an average of 14 times per day, resulting in 1 to 3 pints of gas that you're releasing into the world. Whether it's due to the kind of food you eat or if you have some digestion issues, we are all full of hot air in one way or another. Cleaner than water. Do you know what is cleaner than tap water, your face, and even saliva? Your urine. It's true, when you pee, your urine actually comes out sterile and only gets dirty when it comes in contact with bacteria from the outside world. This is why survival experts say that if you find yourself in a situation where you're without water, drinking your urine is an option. However, it's definitely not something that should be added to your daily regimen, as drinking urine throws off your salt and nitrogen balance. Shed the skin you're in. Furry animals naturally shed their coats periodically throughout the year, but humans also shed their skin. Your body sheds about 8 pounds of skin per year. That's 30 to 40,000 of your skin cells falling off per hour. But where does all of that skin go? Well, it gets eaten by tiny organisms on your skin, as well as the mites that live in your house. Too bad we can't see those results on a scale. Not even human. Believe it or not, only 1 in 10 of your body cells are actually human. The remaining 90% of the cells consist of over 90 trillion microbes, viruses, bacteria, and other microorganisms that call your body home. They all work together to keep their home, your body, healthy and functioning properly. Snots galore. We typically get disgusted when we see someone picking their nose and then eating their boogers. While it might be a juvenile habit, it turns out that we naturally swallow about a quart of snot per day. The mucus travels from inside our noses to the back of our throats, and then our natural swallowing action is activated. This is due to the fact that our sinuses connect parts of our faces together, like our nose, mouth, and ears. It's just acid. Your stomach is full of acid, which is essential to digesting food properly so that your body can be properly nourished. Because we eat such a wide variety of food with different textures and consistencies, our stomach acid is ready to dissolve nearly anything that it comes in contact with, even razor blades. Yup, in lab studies, it has been proven that stomach acid can even dissolve razor blades. But please, don't try this at home. Twinkle toes. Ever wonder why your toes might turn yellow or even get fungus? Think about it. Your feet are touching one of the dirtiest surfaces on the planet, and they are exposed to every kind of germ nature has to offer. Your toenails end up collecting millions of different kinds of microorganisms every single day, which results in your toes turning color and getting in contact with some pretty stubborn fungus. So clean your toenails whenever possible. So much drool. Saliva is an integral part in breaking down what we eat and drink, preparing it for digestion in the body. Your body will actually produce anywhere from 2 to 4 pints of saliva per day. Multiply that by the average human life, and you'll find that you produce about 2 swimming pools worth of saliva. That's a lot of drool to process. Waxy differences. While it is disgusting, we typically see earwax as uniform and universal, but that isn't quite the case. Earwax, which is made up from skin cells inside the ear and which helps lubricate the ear, is actually made up from 2 different types of wax, wet and dry. The kind of earwax you have will depend on genetics. Those of Asian or Native American descent have dry earwax, while those from certain other regions have wet earwax. Bat your lashes. If you think that your face is completely clean after washing it, think again. We all have mites that live in the pores of our face, especially eyelashes, and they feed off our oils and dead skin. These mites are called Demodex mites, and their population increases as you age. It might be a bit disturbing to think about something living so close to our eyeball, but they're so tiny that they're not really noticeable, and you can't even feel them. Isn't the human body incredible? Let us know what you thought of this video in the comments, and please don't forget to click that little thumbs up button and subscribe to The Riches for more fascinating facts daily. Thanks for watching.